Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, September 8th, 2010. This morning I wanted to combine the HTTP client access in VisualWorks, or for that matter Object Studio, and scripting in Smalltalk to show you that you can do useful things even without using the GUI development environment. So here I've set up an array using the feed from my Cincom blog and my personal blog, and I'm going to use this directory. If it exists, I'm just going to use it. If it doesn't exist, I'm going to have the script create it. And then down here, I'm going to iterate over those feeds, and I'm going to create a file name based on the tail of this, so just that file name in that directory up there. Notice I'm using the namespace here instead of just HTTP client. If I were just doing this in the workspace, I wouldn't need the namespace, but when I file this into as a script to an image that I'm going to start up off the command line, I do need that namespace reference, otherwise it won't find HTTP client because it's not findable directly from the Smalltalk namespace. So if you're scripting like this, you do need to qualify everything with a namespace. So coming down here, finally, this is not a problem. I'm just going to quit the image, and it doesn't need to be in a namespace reference because object memory is visible everywhere. So that's the script. Very simple. It should download each of those feeds from the array, drop them out to that named directory as a file, and everything should be fine. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do a start VW, which is a little script that just sets up some environment variables. This is the image name, minus filein, simple HTTP script.st, which is the script I just showed you, and then minus headless to run it without a GUI. Notice it says it's filing in, and now if I do a PS, the only one running is the GUI app over here, and if I cd into feed save dir and do an ls-l, there they are. It's downloaded them, put them in that directory. So everything worked fine. I didn't have to use the GUI environment, and I can show you that you can do some interesting things with Smalltalk scripting, writing just plain Smalltalk code. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.